Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just getting the greenhouse ready for winter now, for autumn. I've just been and put a new screw in here because it was collecting water. That's nice and a nice 2%, 3% angle now, so that should come off there fine. Come in here, it's been a right mess in here. I've just started cleaning everything out. As you can see here, my dried poppy pods, smaller ones in there, perfect for flower arranging. And the seeds, got a big bag full of seeds down there. So I've got my under here is my LED lights, which I'm not going to be running this winter, I don't think, not with the price of electricity. So I just might run a couple just to get some cuttings going. But yeah, all this needs clearing out. I've cleared all the top here. Just need to go wash it down and disinfect it. I always like to disinfect it in the autumn. Kill everything that's under here that's bad. Say hi, monkey, long time no see. Hi, Paul. Going great. Unfortunately, I spilled some water on this when I watered some plants. It's gone kaput, so I need to get a new one of those, Bluetooth. I'm going to put a window in over here. I was going to put one in here, but I'm going to leave that now. So now I should have two windows there, which is going to be great. Here, at the centre of the bench, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put an upright left there, upright there, so I can walk down the middle of there. So I've got a bench to the right and a bench to the left. Two potting up benches, which should be absolutely brilliant. Under here, need to go clear out. Got my big filter in there. Just helps filter the air in the winter when you're watering everything. Helps keep bacteria down, that sort of thing. And my fan there. Like I said, all this needs clearing out. My little figure there. And I'll clean it all out, disinfect it. And then good piece of up that wood here. You can just see that. Nice thick beam. So yeah, that's quite a big lad, so need quite a wide space here. And I'll be able to go straight down there. I don't know where I'm going to put these shelves. I might have them both on one side. Fan up here, and this is a light I got off a friend, which is great. It is, you can see the see what it says here. It is a Lumi 130 watts. That's a big energy saving bulb, which would be brilliant. So yeah, my greenhouse. I need to change my little yellow sticky fly catchers. As you can see, they've been busy over the summer. And then all this needs taking in. I'll give all this a good wash in the bath. Give it a good soak with some bleach. Disinfect everything. And I can start fitting some things in. Just we got here. These are my beautiful yellow dahlias, which I am so proud of growing from this from seed. It's a divine colour, yellow. Got a red one there. And a beautiful dark mauve. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then I've got some penstemons. So I'm going to be digging some of these up. Taking them in, then I can take some cuttings off them. Over here, this was a cutting, a hydrangea cutting a couple of years ago. And it's flowered really, really nicely. So yeah, oh, that's going to be great. And then over here, and my beautiful hollyhock, which looks absolutely divine. Here we have my cosmos, some cosmos flowers there. Down here, my begonias, which are looking great. And we come along here. This is what I do every year. All my wasted plants, cuttings, that sort of thing, all gets dumped. I shall rake this in. Any big bits of branches and that do not break up, I'll pull them out. Any green stuff like this will get pulled out. So yeah, all that's going to get done and raked in the next few days. This bergamot is absolutely a pain in the backside. This all needs digging up. So yeah, that's a quick tour of what I'm doing at the moment regards my greenhouse and my backyard. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.